Hello everybody, myself Dr. Sujata, consultant eye surgeon at Sri Lakshmi Eye Care, Banashankari, Bangalore. As we age, changes do occur in our vision also, but these changes need not affect our lifestyle. So knowing what to expect and when to seek professional care can help safeguard your vision. As you reach your 60s and beyond, you should be aware of the various warning signs of these age-related health eye problems that can affect your vision. Because most of the times eye problems, they do not have early symptoms. It is only in the late stages that you will be aware that you have some vision problems. In such a scenario, it is always advisable to have a comprehensive eye examination by an ophthalmologist for the early detection of these eye problems. The most common eye problems that we come across in the elderly are ARMD. What is this ARMD? This is called as age-related macular degeneration. And what is this macula? Macula, this is a tiny spot that you see in the back portion of your eye, that's called the retina, which is important for your central eye vision. So whenever you feel difficulties in doing any detail-oriented work, which means reading, writing, driving, and if you see that you're not able to differentiate shades of colors, then you might be developing ARMD. So whenever you feel there's a central visual disturbances, these could be probably the early signs of age-related macular degeneration. The second most common condition that we come across in the elderly is cataract. So what is this cataract? Normally, the human lens is a transparent and it is totally flexible in the young years. But as age increases, the flexibility of this lens is lost and this becomes totally opaque. So this condition is called a cataract. So once a cataract develops, patients might be developing symptoms like blurring of vision, poor night vision, and also the colors which were quite vivid earlier may not look as clear as early. In such conditions, what is the treatment for this cataract? Once a cataract develops, only treatment is undergoing a cataract surgery. In this surgery, basically the opaque lens is replaced with an artificial lens which remains in the eye for the rest of your life. The third important condition that we come across is diabetic retinopathy. As you know, diabetes can affect many organs in our body. The same way, it can also affect our eyes. It is basically a microvasculopathy, which means it affects the tiny blood vessels which are there in the eye, and in the eye it is the retina that is being affected. There are two stages of this diabetic retinopathy. The first is an early stage, what we call as non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy, and an advanced stage, what we call as proliferative diabetic retinopathy. And what are the symptoms of this diabetic retinopathy? Early stages, patient may not be having any symptoms. It's only on a routine screening test that we detect these signs of diabetic retinopathy. But in the late stages, they might be having complaints of blurring of vision, they might be experiencing floaters, which means black spots in the visual field. And in the advanced stages, there might be a total visual loss. The fourth common condition that we come across is glaucoma. So what is this glaucoma? This is a term which is collectively used for a set of conditions which affects the optic nerve. So this is the nerve which connects the eye to the brain and transmits information from your eye to the brain. So it is known as silent thief of vision because people with glaucoma also do not have symptoms till the late stages, because glaucoma affects the peripheral vision and the central vision remains very much intact till the late stage of the disease, and so it is truly called as the silent thief of vision. And last but not the least, dry eyes. So dry eyes, it could be because of two factors in the elderly. One is because of decreased production of the tears, and the second thing is because of poor quality of the tears. Either of the conditions can result in dry eyes in the elderly. So it is always important to have a comprehensive eye examination by an ophthalmologist. It's very crucial to maintain your eye health in your golden years. Thank you.